Alright, so here's the big pink Cessna, and I made some modifications to it. Pretty much the biggest one is adding the dihedral that you see. That should help with the roll stability and maybe help with stalling. And I can add some rudder coordinated turns. I scooted the battery farther forward so the CG scoots up. It is a little windy today, so we're going to see how this goes. It's too heavy, I think. The ailerons are barely doing anything. I'm at almost full throttle and I'm way too heavy. This plane is done forever. Just gotta get it in and retire it. Can't handle the wind at all, it's too heavy, underpowered. Goodbye.